Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going over a project for a new deck that I did, so an exterior alteration. Yeah, let's get it going.
We're just opening up the Google Earth and searching the address, and doesn't look like it's loading the map. Luckily, we do have a real property report, so we could do the site measurements from that, and we'll just add some pictures from the client.
So these are just some elevations I drew prior to recording. I'll just be really brief here. Let's see, stairs. There's also a hot tub in this location, and the majority of the work is right there. So it's the new sunroom that's going to be enclosed. So let's just see here. I'm gonna probably fast forward a bit. I need to draw some new elevations. So what we're looking at are old elevations. So let's take a look here. Yeah, and all this information I have already from the client. So uh, I'd be alt-tabbing. I'd be looking at a different screen essentially for some drawings. So I just have to import the pretty much the new dimensions and all the new work that has to be done. I know that they wanted to change the stairs and make the whole patio one level, of course, excluding the stairs. So this is where I'll import the picture, just so you guys can see. Yeah, that exactly. That's the all one level. Yeah, this is the fast forward displays. So yeah, he wanted 13 by 18, approximately what he already had. I like a pergola, but of course, yeah, you gotta put the new roof on it, the new walls, and a sliding door, or I guess a swing door in this situation. Let's take a look. What else is here? So yeah, two windows. There's obviously a fireplace, 4 feet windows by 5 foot high. Fireplace 5 feet. Yeah, this is going to be in Imperial just because it's a client in that location. So yeah, and prior to this, I had someone out, yeah, to go on the site and measure pretty much the existing deck, the existing pergola, the heights of the decks and the steps, and yeah, and pretty much the elevation. So I was thinking how to do this, but to show the sections, but I'll just make it super simple here. Yeah, pretty basic to do the elevations. Copy them from the layout and just pretty much copy and paste. As you can see here, 18 inches from the ground, about 6 or 8 inches from each of the walls and the top and the roof. It's going to be an open ceiling. I'm not even sure how. I mean, obviously not going to be an attic. It's just an open ceiling with like 2 feet above the 8-foot studs. So yeah, I'm not sure how you guys draw CAD drawings, but yeah, I mean it does take some time, but it is pretty easy.
Hey, sorry about that. Client called and I had to do some other work, so let's carry on here. So fast forward the project. Let's see here. Still doing the second elevation, interior elevation. Let's see, make it look nice. Add some dimensions. Then the other, I believe the south wall with all the windows. We'll see exactly how it looks because I'll be drawing the site plan from the real property report. So see, adding them now to the elevations to make them to show the new stuff. And yeah, the whole project probably took around, I'd say, 4 hours to do from start to finish. So it's not that bad. Obviously there might be some other changes that the client will want, but they're just minor, so you know, like 10 more minutes to spend on the changes if they're you know, small. Alright, the section, that's just some small changes for that. And we start the site plan. So you probably can't see it here, but I import the real property report, the RPR, onto the drawing itself. So there it is. Yeah, make it to scale, plot it on there, put some measurements on there, and good to go. Just show where the new deck is, existing deck, but like the new sunroom for that, and pretty much project is done. Yeah, let's see what the next project's.